Hey, what's up guys and gals? Welcome back to Smoking Asphalt. I'm Terrence Orgeron, and today we're going to be working on a 6th Gen Camaro SS. I believe the current modifications to the car are your basic bolt-ons, long tube headers. It's got a ported LT1 intake manifold, and I believe it has a cold air intake and a tune. So today we're going to be installing the LT2 intake that I modified to fit on the LT1, which is good for 25 or so wheel horsepower. I mean, this is where the C8 Corvette makes most of its horsepower compared to the C7. We're talking NA horsepower here. So he should be rolling up within 10 minutes or so, and we'll be checking them out. All right, guys. Well, showed up. What year is this?
2020.
2020. This is James.
What's going on?
Drove out from Baton Rouge. He's got a 2020. This is a brand new Camaro. It's got the LT1. It's got a cold air intake. Like I said, it's got some bolt-ons, long tube headers. And we're gonna try to knock this out before it gets too late. Got the intake manifold off, real straightforward. Move over to the workbench and go ahead and transfer over the O-ring. Alright guys, we got the throttle body on there. O-rings, bolts, all transferred over. Now, it's time to bolt it on the car and make some more power. got the intake buttoned up on James's 6th Gen 2020 Camaro SS. Installation was really straightforward on the 2020. I mean, they're all pretty similar. One thing we ran into was one of the vacuum hoses on the driver's side front of the car that was coming from the valley cover. You will have to get a longer hose. I didn't get much talking done in this video. Again, I appreciate you guys viewing. First time checking out the channel, please hit that like button, subscribe if you enjoyed this content. I'll see you in the next one, guys.